Hey guys, Jason here for TheChartGuys, doing a follow-up video on DAL. Yesterday we talked about this bear flag shape right into earnings. So earnings can always throw you for a bit of a loop here, but it looks like we got at least initially some follow-through on that bear flag. We had a low open, we saw a quick flush, and then we saw a big volume day where bulls really pulled things together. Now there's a lot of momentum to the upside. We'll take a look at what to expect as follow-through for that. So what we're going to do there is start at the 4-hour time frame, and I want to point out the RSI. RSI is climbing nicely. Price is relatively going sideways, which is a bullish divergence, suggesting further upside thanks to the RSI and looking for more continuation. So what we're going to need to do in order to accomplish that is to get a new high over 54.83. That is the last high in the 4-hour time frame. That's going to be a key level of resistance for us. We're also going to have to get over top of these EMAs. EMA 26 seems to be an important level for us. At least it has been over the last several periods. We've come up and tested that level. So be paying special attention to that. And we're very close to our EMA 12. So if we open above that level, we can expect to have it act as support going into tomorrow. 4-hour doji candlestick with a very, very tight body here. Not going to spend too much time on that, but it's all about 54.83. Can bulls get over top of that? And as always, we need to look in both directions. So 51.07 is our support. And we will look to that level to act as such if and when we get down there. On the hourly time frame, bulls are trying to pull things together here. Our RSI is at 50, so it's very happy where it is, consolidating a little bit into after hours today. But look at that bull move, or that bear move, I should say. Follow through, pre-market. Then we see the bulls just dominate the day, now cooling off. I suspect we're seeing some overbought RSIs on some smaller time frames. But again, we're just happy right where we are. And this is nice sideways consolidation. If we can continue doing this into tomorrow and not giving up a lot of this territory we've gained, that is going to be bullish for the bears. And they are bullish for the bulls, and they're happy right where they are. So what we want to do is establish a higher low, build that base of support, and continue our advance up toward 54.83. If we don't establish that support, we see a drop, we're going to look for lower highs, and then a test and break of 51.07. That's the most likely scenario. But let's check out the trading action today. On the 15-minute time frame, how did it look? Lots of consolidation, a lot of opportunities, a lot of little bull flags here and there, but slow march. Very nice to see that. Did not get overbought once. And that is why we have the sustainable stair-step action. If you get a straight shot up, your RSI gets overcooked, and you're plus 70, it's not likely you're going to stay there. But if you can stair-step your way and have periods of consolidation and rest and allow those RSI levels to cool off, you can go quite a ways. So here's that sideways movement. 53.92 is going to be an important level for us too. Actually, it's not on very much volume, but we'll pay special attention to that level anyway. Perhaps it will act as a resistance for us in tomorrow's trading action. And likewise, 52.60 is going to be our level to watch. So my bias would be slightly toward the bulls right now. Bears can show up and prove themselves in a big way early in the morning. I'll be looking in the opposite direction. But right now, indicators suggest to me upside action. Keep an eye on 54.83 and then 55 psychological as your major areas of resistance for tomorrow. Beyond that, not a heck of a lot until we're at 57.25.